Record of Ragnarok, also known as Shumatsu no Wakure, is a seinen manga with an incredible and impeccable action sequences. With every chapter, it made fans hype and they just can't get enough. With such a top-notch artwork, the battle scenes in the manga are second to none. If you have loved reading it, then you must be looking for some similar mangas like Record of Ragnarok. And that's why today I am bringing you guys this exceptional list of mangas like Record of Ragnarok for you. It includes mangas with tournament-based concept with magnificent artwork. So without any further ado, let's start with our video about top 10 mangas which are just like Record of Ragnarok. On the 10th number, the anime name is Terraformers. In the 21st century, humanity tried to colonize Mars by sending algae and cockroaches to see if they can endure the environment. However, it turned out that they took the adaptability to a whole new level. In the 26th century, a mysterious alien virus arrives on Earth, and the cure is only found on Mars, since it is filled with terraformers, preciously evolved monsters. The Annex 1 team consists of hundreds of members who are sent to clean up the planet. As exciting as the premise seems, it is actually an amazing manga despite its flaws. Except for its pace and a little flaws in the execution, other aspects are very well done. Its artwork is pretty impressive and the characters are great too. So consider giving it a try if you want to read the mangas like Record of Ragnarok. On the 9th number, the manga name is War of Greedy Witches. War of Greedy Witches is a story of 32 witches who try to kill each other. And if you ask, is there a strong reason for that? I would say no. Joan of the Arc, Tomoe Gozen, Marie Antoinette and Cleopatra are some of the real references too. They kill each other to fulfill their own desires. And you should read how the battles between these greedy witches takes place. Since the basic concept of the manga is around supernatural battles, this manga must be on this list. Actually, it is pretty much underrated for how good it is. So if you are looking for similar manga to Record of Ragnarok, then you should consider reading this one. On the 8th number, the manga name is The God of High School. Not exactly a manga but a manhwa with quite a different art style than you have seen till now. The story follows Jin Mori, who trained under his grandfather Jin Taijin. And aiming to become the best martial artist, Korea conducts the God of High School competition to determine the best fighter in the country. Although it seems like a competition, we don't know what's waiting for Jin Mori and his new champions. It is a similar manga to Record of Ragnarok if we will compare the characters and overall setting. The God of High School is actually one of the best manhwas. And there is also an anime adaptation that came out in 2020. If you are far into action-packed manga like Record of Ragnarok, then you better add this one to your list too. On the 7th number, the manga name is Kaiju 8 Go. Kaiju 8 Go follows the story of 32-year-old Kafka Hibino, who works as a sweeper, professional cleaners who take care of disposing of monster remains. Although his dream is to join the defense corps, he had to give up on it. When he meets an 18-year-old co-worker named Leno Ichiwaka, Kafka once again realizes his dream. Later on, a faithful encounter turned him into a humanoid monster. And finally, he joins the defense corps. I have already said that the artworks which are mentioned in this video of the mangas are very similar to Record of Ragnarok. Well, that's once again the case with Kaiju 8 Go manga. The character developments is the best aspect of the manga, and action sequences gives you the same vibes as well. If you haven't read this manga, which is one of the best mangas like Record of Ragnarok, then you should give it a try for sure. On the 6th number, the manga name is Drifters. In the year 1600, Toyohisa Shimazu is the rear guard of his troops, and when critically wounded, he got transported into a more modern world. The new world is full of strange creatures and warriors who are supposed to be dead a long time ago. Later on, he befriends a warlord and an archer to learn more about this new world. He finds that they are summoned to fight against the Ents, who are trying to eliminate drifters and take over the world. Drifters manga is pretty much a masterpiece of its genre. Its dark, historical and thriller premise makes it even more worthy of being in the list of mangas like Record of Ragnarok. It has plenty of stunning battles to amuse you, and with splendid artwork it can provide you as much as experience as Record of Ragnarok manga. On the 5th number, the manga name is Origin. Origin manga sets in the world of the year AD 2048. Tokyo has become full of terrorists and criminals, and in addition to these, some mysterious demoness lurks in the darkness of Metropolitan. They slaughter people unnoticing every night. Just what are these creatures? And more importantly, who is this person named Origin who faces them fearlessly? This manga is straight up thriller with some breathtaking killing scenes. It is hilarious, incredible, and an amazing manga like Record of Ragnarok with a different approach. The world setting is different, but the art and the execution of the plot are way too similar to ignore. Thus, this manga is on the 5th number on our list. On the 4th number, the manga name is Sun Ken Rock. Sun Ken Rock follows Ken, who becomes an orphan after his family involved with the Yakuza and eventually became a fighting delinquent in high school. He only fights for the sake of his girlfriend Yumi. When Yumi decides to move to Korea, he follows her by leaving everything behind. Due to some unforeseen events, he leads a gang named Sunken Rock, and Yumi doesn't know about this, by the way. It might not be a superpower fantasy manga like Record of Ragnarok, but I assure you that you will find every chapter interesting. The artwork, battle, and the flow of the story resembles a lot. On the 3rd number, the manga name is History's Strongest Discipline Kenichi. Kenichi Shirahama is a 15-year-old boy and a victim of bullying. To escape from the clutches of Strong, he joins the school karate club, but he still gets targeted by his seniors. Miu Furinji changes his whole life after a merry encounter by introducing him to Ryozonpaku Dojo. The dojo has 6 masters who specialize in various martial arts, and Kenichi is about to become the history's strongest discipline. The manga is pretty much a replica of Record of Ragnarok in terms of character development and the way and the story moves forward. The art is decent and the story is pretty much amazing, but what makes it more interesting? It gets better as you go through the chapters and fills you in with a lot of hilarious and action moments. So make sure to add this manga to your list. On the 2nd number, the manga name is Baki. Hanma Baki was born with a bad luck since the day he was born. His father made him to learn all the martial arts. He must surpass his father in order to bring freedom to his life. Baki continues to trail in all conditions while looking for strong people all over the world. And in the end, he becomes the strongest person on the earth. But how is it going to bring back his precious dream life? The manga starts in a strange way, but there is no shortage of action scenes. In terms of action, characters and artwork, it resembles the manga of Record of Ragnarok. On the 1st number, the manga name is Kengan Ashura. In Japan, since Edo's period, all the business deals are sealed through ruthless duels instead of professional talks. To facilitate these matches fairly, Kengan Association has formed. Oma Tokita, who is well known as the Ashura, wants to become the strongest martial artist and join the Nogi group. Watch how Tokita and his manager Yamashita tries to survive in this brutal world of Kengan. It is the closest manga on the list to the Record of Ragnarok plot. From the terrific artwork to the epic battle scenes, everything is perfect. So if you haven't read this amazing manga yet, you should do it right now. And well, finally, it seems like it is time to wind up this list of the mangas similar to Record of Ragnarok. Reading Record of Ragnarok has been a great experience, and it is one of the best action fantasy mangas for me. If you have loved it, then you will love all of these 10 mangas too. And if you have already read any of these 10 mangas, then make sure to comment down below and let me know your thoughts about any of the mangas and let me know your reviews about it. And if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.